Hey everyone, welcome back to Infosys. In today's video, I am going to show you how to apply for internship opportunities at Honeywell. Honeywell is one of the most respected and global tech and engineering companies, and I will walk you through everything step by step right from their official career page. So, friend, before we jump in, let's quickly talk about the Honeywell. Honeywell is a global company known for innovation in various areas like automation and also in the aerospace and the energy solutions as well as in the digital technology. And friend, they work on real work problems from improving flight system to making buildings smarter and more energy efficient. So when you intern here, you are not just doing basic tasks, you are actually contributing to impactful projects. So now let me show you this. So I'm on the official Honeywell career page here, and here you can search for the internship directly. Just type internship in the search bar, and also you can enter your country name here. And once you click on this search bar, then you will see multiple roles across different domains. You can also use the filter based on your location, category, or field of interest. So currently I have selected the India. So you can see multiple job opportunities or you can say the intensive opportunities are available here. You can see the interns like master data science, intern master software engineering, and similarly multiple roles are open across the various locations. You can see here. So, friend, why this internship matters? If you get hands-on experience working on the real world projects, and you can learn from industry professionals, and you build skills that actually matter in the job market. And also, having a company like Honeywell on your resume add a serious value. Uh, friend, you have the question in mind that who should apply. So, if you are a student in engineering, computer science, business, or related field, this is the definitely something you should check out. Even if you are in early years of college, it is a great way to understand how to the industry actual works here. I will take the example of one of the opportunity to show you how you should apply. So, you have to I'm going to take the example of the intern master data science. So before going to check that, if you are not subscribed our channel Info Roshan yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, jobs and internship opportunity and technology related videos. So please subscribe Info Roshan. It will help us to create a more content for you. So please subscribe Info Roshan. So let's check how you should apply. So whichever job opportunity suit you, you have to just click on this see job. And once you click, then this type of a page will appear here. You can see here you can see the details regarding the job description, what are the responsibilities will be your as an intern, and the qualification you can see. uh, so this is the data science or you can say data analyst profile for the interns. Then you can see you should require a programming languages like Python. You should know the visualization software such as Tableau or Power BI, or you can see you should have a master degree in data science, computer science, or related fields. So these are the some qualification is given. You should check before applying that you are meeting the eligibility criteria or not. And friend, you can see one of the very important thing here that you will see the here job posting date. This job is published on 27th March. So it is a very recent job. So if you subscribe Inforosan, then you will get the notification earlier and you can apply before the is due date. So it is a very good thing here. So please subscribe Inforosan. So once you clear that, if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, then you have to simply click on this apply now, and then this type of page will appear. Here you have to enter your email address, then you have to select this checkbox, and you have to click on this next, and then you have to you can see you will be redirected to this page here. Here a small application form is given. You can provide the details like your last name, then you can see the your country and some other details, your experience, and your resume you can upload, or any certification you have. So you can upload here all the details and the cover letters, and you can apply. And friend, before submitting the final application, please review it because it is a very good opportunity, and don't try to leave it by simple mistake. So please take a review before applying. And if you have any query regarding this opportunity, please comment on the video. We will definitely check and provide you the solutions. And friend, please subscribe Info Roshan.